I'm a student at Music Crossroads Academy. Actually, I'm a member of Here's Children musical. I joined Here's Children in 2010. We travel every year in Spain for this program, Petits Music del Mundo, which we go to exchange the culture. Sometimes it's fairly difficult, to learn the other language like Portuguese, Spanish, but we survive and learn some pieces of the language, and you can be able to teach in Portuguese or Spanish.
I'm a member of Here's Children. I've joined this group last year, 2019, in August. In our family, we are actually 6. My father, mother, and I have one sister and 2 brothers. At the first time when I tell my mother, she was like, yes, you can go, but my father, he was like, it will disturb you in school stuff, be work hard. I work hard in work in class, so that's what my father said about it. And later on, he realizes that in Here's Children, they also encourage us at school stuff, like we should be working hard at school.
Asungwana lilimbikile sukulu ntsogolo lathu la mawa tisalole wina aliyense sokoneze mpaka natidzamalize sukulu tidzakhale akadaulo apamwamba otukulira dziko lathu la Malawi. This song is all about it encourages girls to go to school so that they can become the leaders of tomorrow. I am also a student at Music Crossroads through Here's Children. I do dancing. In Here's Children, we have a lot of dances. Some of them are Chingande, Chisamba, Shintali, Guanyasa, Beni, and many more. These dances helps us to understand better in school, in many subjects like English, Chichewa, Maths, biology. And also these dances helps us to spread messages to our fellow youths. The messages are all about school. They encourage the fellow students to go to school so that they can become the good citizens. Yeah.
Drum, I play like traditional drums. So from 2011 until now, I've learned different rhythms from Malawi. Okay, I've seen so many good in Here's Children, because for me to be well known in Malawi, it's because of our culture. So it is good for me to learn cultural things than modern things. Now I'm thinking of when I grow up, I want to start a project like for Malawian drums rhythm in various countries.
I'm a member of Here's Children group that started since in 2010. Yeah, I'm also one of the children who are living this year in order to learn some culture there. skills and techniques in different sectors of daily life in order to increase our knowledge. The first process was timing, independence, and be smart. Timing is to be active in whatever you are doing in order to come up with good results. Yeah, so that you can qualify in different sectors like music, reading and writing, and dance. Independence is to be confidence and to depend on your own. Yeah, not depending on others. That when you are dancing on the stage, looks left side and yeah, my friend is doing this, let me do it. Yeah, no, just face the audience. Yeah, to come up with the good stuff. Yeah, and to make audience to be like in the mood of your performance. The first tough stuff was bend. Yeah, to catch up the steps of bend, like you know, like toes. We used to dance toes using toes and hands. It was very difficult. And sometimes I just got some stress that would I know this how dance this dance, or I sometimes just like to give up. But now I'm a professional in that dance. Yeah. Most of the children want to be the professional dancers, and the teachers to maybe in the future to invest their money in dancing, music, and reading and writing.
In here's children have discovered many things and values concerning music. Like when the time I came at music crossroads, I wasn't know like how to lead music, how to spread message in music. By then I've covered and I've discovered also myself the inner info that I have, like I can stand and tell the world like who we are, like here's music.
We are the Here's Children from Music Crossroads, Malawi. We are coming there to rock you with our dances, music, songs, and rhythms. See you soon!